Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about dermarolling and how I do it at home myself. So the first step, I start off with this hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I use quite a bit and I just rub this all over my face just to get a really good base and thick layer of it for the needles to go on. When you use a derma roller, it basically makes your skin think that it's injured, and so it will create new skin. You will grow new skin, and then you have a more even, smoother, plumper complexion. It gets rid of scars and fine lines and dark spots. So it's basically just tricking your skin to say, hey, you're injured, I'm going to make new skin. So this is the one that I have. I got it from Amazon for $10. It's a 1.50 millimeter needle length, and this is what it looks like. It comes in a case, and then it has just a bunch of little needles on a wheel. And so after the serum is on your face, you're able to glide onto your face a lot smoother, and hyaluronic acid is extremely hydrating, so that's why I use it before and after I do this. I do it for about 3 to 5 minutes and just a few times a week, not every single day, and I have seen a major difference. So I did it for a long time, like several times a week for weeks straight, and then towards the end of my pregnancy, I just stopped doing it. So my skin kind of fell back to like where it was when I stopped using this every week. But I'm going to start picking it up again, and the dark spots that I had underneath my cheek definitely lightened up, and I saw a huge difference. And I'm also using this on my stretch marks from my pregnancy as well. I got pretty bad stretch marks on the bottom of my stomach and my sides. So I've been using a serum for that and doing this for 5 minutes morning and night on my stretch marks to see how well it can heal that and repair that and maybe fade it a little bit. So I will let you know in the comments below after I do it for several weeks if it has made a difference or not. Maybe I can do an entire video on that if you're interested. But basically, I'm just rolling this across my face, not lifting it up, just going at different angles. You don't want to stay just in one line. You want to really get every angle that you can, and you want to apply a little bit of pressure, but not too much pressure. And you can see how I'm closing my eyes here, because when I get on certain areas of my face, certain areas are more tender and sensitive, so it makes your eyes water a little bit. This is not painful at all, so if you're like in excruciating pain, then you are applying way too much pressure. You should probably stop and use a lighter hand, but it definitely doesn't hurt. It just feels like little tiny needles. It doesn't feel like a bee sting either, but you see how my eyes are watering here because your nose is so sensitive. But I do have a lot of sunspots on my nose, so I'm really trying to repair the skin in that area. I found a really great informative article that I will leave in the description box below for you so you can read about it. It tells you who dermarolling is best for, how to do it, what needle length that you need for what you're trying to improve. So it's really a great article, and it gives you a lot of information. So I will leave that in the description box so you can read it and educate yourself more before you buy one and get it. But for scarring or for someone with really large, deep pores that you want to like try to tighten it up, then you would need a thicker and deeper needle. So that's kind of what I'm using. The needle that I'm using is probably too thick for my skin because I don't have deep pores. Keep in mind, however, if you have eczema, psoriasis, warts, really bad acne, cystic skin, then you do not want to be using this roller because you're just going to spread the bacteria all over your face and you're just going to get more acne or more eczema. So don't use this if you have those kind of skin conditions. I forgot to mention at the beginning of this that my skin was completely cleaned. I had just washed my face before I started this. And also from the same article that I educated myself on that I will leave linked below for you, that's where I am getting all of my information from, by the way. So I'm giving full credit to this article that I'm reading from. This plastic handle one that I have right here will probably only last me 6 months, and then I'll need to throw it away. And to wash it, you want to use like strong alcohol and let it soak so it kills all the bacteria, and you want to clean it pretty much after every use, so that way you're not spreading your own bacteria all over your face. It needs to be cleaned. Once I'm done, I go back in with hyaluronic acid. You could use a vitamin C serum, your anti-aging products. Anything that you want to use is fine. And then I like to spray my face with rose water because it's extra hydrating and it just wakes me up and makes me feel refreshed and clean. I can say with 100% confidence that my forehead wrinkles have 100% improved, so much better since I've been using this. I can't get Botox when I was pregnant, and now that I'm breastfeeding, still can't get it. So this is my only hope to reduce those forehead wrinkles, and it has literally changed my skin. So this is my Botox that I get to do at home. I always see a huge difference in the brightness in my skin after I do this. So it's that simple. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. The article will be linked below for you so you can read it. Please make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye.